gonna go hands up, Josh?
Yeah.
Oh, Koo, you okay? Koo, come on! Here we go!
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Was that good?
I want to go in again!
We can go on again.
Yeah, we can!
Was that good?
Yeah, I want to go in again!
Was that fun?
Daddy, I want to go in again!
Was that fun, Steve?
Please, Daddy, I'm begging you! Please! Please, Daddy!
Oh, we've
Please!
got to get off now.
Please!
We've got another ride to go on.
What is it?
We've got Peter Pan to go on, and later we have Big Thunder Mountain.
What?
Runaway Train.
Okay. Is it scarier than
It's
this?
yeah, it's scarier than this.
Can we go on the runaway train now?
No, we got a fast pass for it later.